the red subscribe button to subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications for our next video. Hey guys, it's me Electro. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys this LED bulb which I bought a few days ago from Amazon. This is a color changing LED bulb, and I have another package to support this bulb. It has a B22 to E27 converter, so the spiral to Indian pin type converter. So let's unbox that first. So this was pretty cheap actually. So we'll tear up the cover. So we have two. That's good because I have a spare bulb, which I'll try this on. Use my keys to cut it open. So we have two of the adapters which I'm gonna be using. Yeah, the camera. I know that. I understand you guys pain. So now I'll unbox this bulb. Open the box. Now we'll try on the adapter. The bulb build quality looks good. So in the box we have the remote, the bulb and a manual. So this thing screws tight. That's awesome. And I'll remove the extra bulb I have. Yeah, it's this glass type bulb. It is very bright. It has multi-filament, so I'm not sure what type it is. So I fitted it as well. I think it will melt actually, the plastic portion, because it gets too hot. So now we'll remove the old bulb, fit this glass bulb. It will be bright enough to light the whole room, more than 100 watts. This bulb is good for functions, I suppose. I'm not sure. So now we'll remove that bulb and we'll put the color changing bulb, the remote control. Yeah, just tighten it up a little bit with hand. That's the remote. Now we are on the front side. We'll turn it on. So it starts up with red when we turn it on. So that's very different actually. So we have various color modes. This is we have the white, we have the red again, green, we have yellow, we have this another shade of yellow, blue, purple, we have this purple. So yeah, this red again, green, a repetition of the same colors. So you can see all the color options, and we have those strobe patterns. We have strobe, we have flicker, we have flash, we have fade, we have brightness options. So now I'll turn it off. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll meet you in my next one. So this is the simple design of the remote, and this is the back side of the remote. So bye guys.